Assalamu alaikum dostan. Aaj ki video mine hum explore karne wale hain ek zabardast motorhome, jisme chalta phirta ghar bk sakti hain. Agar op road trips ka shak rokt hain, camping pasand karte hain, ya fir ek mobile lifestyle ka sapna dekt hain, to ye video specially opki liye hai. Chaliye shuru karte hain bina time waste ki. Minibus segment 1, exterior overview 2 minutes. Camera. Walk around shots. Sabs pella bot karte hain is motorhome k exterior key. Iska design modern bihai aur practical b. Front side pay apko milta high powerful engine jo long routes ko asani se handle karte high. Side pay large windows d gay hain jis natural light andar tak atireti high. Niche storage compartments milane ge jahaan op apna camping gear, tools aur travel bags rock sakti hain. Top pay mounted high solar panel, long journeys k liye perfect. House segment 2, entrance and living area 2 minutes. Camera. Door open, interior entry shot. Jab op andar enter kart ho, sabs pella milta high ek cozy living space. Jahaan par comfortable sofa, dining table, our large window milti high. Is space co-op dining area, workspace, ya bathni ki jaga ki tara use car sakti ho. Wall pay LED light strips laji way hain jo riyad mind peaceful atmosphere banati hain. Cooking segment 3, kitchen tour 2 minutes. Camera. Kitchen counter close-ups. Ye motorhome ka kitchen compact zaror high, lekin fully functional high. Apko milta high. Gas stove ya induction cooktop. Small oven microwave. Mini fridge. Water sink. Storage cabinets. Long trips k liye ye kitchen perfect high, chai, kana, snacks sab yahan easily ban sakta high. Person in bed segment 4, bedroom space 1.5 minutes. Camera. Bed area shots. Bedroom area simple lekin comfortable high. Queen size bed ya twin bed option available hota hai model ke hisab se. Side pay wardrobe high jahaan op opni kapre store car sakti ho. A par reading lights aur niche ventilation fans be installed hain. Riyat ka travel ho ya thakan bari journey, ye bedroom bohat soothing feel deta high. Shower segment 5, bathroom and shower 1.5 minutes. Bathroom small hota hai lekin smart design ke soth. Apko milta high. Standing shower. Toilet. Small sink. Mirror. Shelves for toiletries. Compact space ka maximum use kia gaya high. Electric plug segment 6, electricity, water and utilities 1 minute. Jahaan pay milti hain ye facilities. Solar energy system, 12 volts and 220 volts outlets. Water tank clean plus gray water. Battery backup system, small generator. Ye sab chizain motorhome ko fully independent bana dedi hain. Motorway segment 7, driving experience 2 minutes. Camera. POV driving shots. Is motorhome ko chalana surprisingly asan high. Controls simple hain, steering smooth high, aur brakes responsive. Highway pay coffee stable feel hota hai. Agar op pali dafa motorhome drive car rehi hot hain, tobi apko comfortable lagega. Sunrise segment 8, on-road travel experience 1 minute. Traveling in a motorhome is a different vibe. Op kahan bi ruk sakti ho, chai bana sakti ho, rest car sakti ho, or even spend the night. Freedom wali feeling. Money bag segment 9, cost and maintenance 1 minute. Is motorhome key price model ke hisab se alag hoti high. Maintenance low to moderate cost par chal jata high. Fuel average thik hota hai, lekin long routes pay cost stable raid jata high kayunki hotel ka karcha bak jata high. Sparkles segment 10, final verdict 1 minute. Agar op ek adventure lifestyle prefer kart hain, traveling pasand high, ya weekend getaways ka plan hota reta high, to motorhome ek perfect investment high. Ye apko deta high independence, comfort, aur ek naya travel experience. Clapperboard outro 30 seconds. Agar apko ye motorhome tour pasand aaya hota video ko like our channel ko. Subscribe zaror karain. Op kan sa motorhome review dekna chat hain. Niche comment kark zaror batayan. Milt hain next video mine. Allah Hafiz. Agar chaho to main is script ka English version, Urdu only version, short version, ya voiceover format bi bana sakta hun.